Hi, it's John V3IPS. I have another antenna project that I put together here for you to give you guys some insight. Since we're talking about speaker wire, and we just talked about the NorCal doublet, that's a great antenna, works very, very well. I have another antenna here, and this one here is sort of an up and over type of antenna. Really, the idea being an up and over is I've taken 50 feet of speaker wire that I picked up at the dollar store for $1.99. It's 18 gauge. I stripped it all the way down, so I have one 50-foot length. So this can go up a 20-foot fishing pole, Shakespeare SD 20. Crappy poles, I think, are what the term is being used at Cabela's in the U.S., which is a fishing outdoor supply store. So I have a 50-foot lead. I got a ring lead on it, so I could put a carabiner on it and some paracord, and then I got a banana jack, banana plug on it. The other 50 feet, I made it 33 and 17, which actually turns out to be pretty much almost a quarter wave on 40 and a quarter wave on 20. So those are the two bands I love to operate on. So now I have a radial or a counterpoise. I took one of these small little Hammond boxes, and I got a bunch of these. As you'll see, I'm a big fan of these little boxes. I put a little BNC connector on it. So now I have my vertical element that I could pop into the top, and then I could add my radials into the bottom and stretch those out, run my BNC cable, and put a tie cord, tie wrap or something around that to hold that against a fishing pole, or it could be a tree, or I could actually have it hanging like that in the wind and let it go back and forth as I make QRP contacts. Doesn't really matter to me. Main thing at the end of the day is I have a 50-foot piece of wire. My antenna tuner is going to tune it 80 and 40 meters, so I'm covered in the low bands. And I have radio set up for that. So another antenna to play around with and do some experimentation. You could almost put that in your pocket.